Hi there everyone, and welcome back to my channel Tech Talk. Today's video is basically about creating a listing in eBay. So this is for those who are just getting started in eBay and don't know exactly how to create a listing. So let's get started. So to start a listing, you can do it in two ways. For example, if you just want to start directly and you want to list something of your own, you can just click this sell button and then start from the scratch, and eBay will give you complete assistance of what to do and how to do. For example, you have to choose a category, format and everything, enter the value and all that. So then you can go and create one listing. But I would just like to I wouldn't suggest that way, because that's a bit of a more complex and you might miss a lot of things, especially when you're a beginner. So all you have to do, for example, if you're just listing maybe any product, search for that product on eBay, because almost everything's on eBay already. Maybe we're just looking for any electronic gadget or bag or maybe kids variety or something. We can just search for that. So in this case, maybe let's try garden. Anything in garden, we'll just try to list that. So we've just found these different sort of furnitures and stuff in garden. So for example, we just want to list one of these, right? Now just forget about these prices and everything. Usually what people do is pick one of the bests on the top, because obviously that will help you to come on the top later on, as the guys who are on the top, they're actually doing the right practices. So if you just copy them, that way there are more chances that you will come on the top very soon. For example, you can pick any of these. You can pick someone who is basically not sponsored and is all organically on the top, right? So this guy, he sold 307 plus of the quantity, and he's also providing eBay premium service. That means he's a top seller. So you can just copy that if you like to, or maybe you can just copy this guy as well. So you can simply click the listing, and then under the listing you can click this button, sell as yourself. And then you can just get started. You can just play around with the title if you just want to change it, and then if you just come down, you can just provide with EN number if you've got it. If not, you can just put it as just does not apply. Variation listings, if you've got any sort of variations listings, like if you've got more than one colors for the product, more than one sizes, you can just go for the variation listing. If not, you can just keep it a simple listing. Then you can come down and add photos from here. And for example, if you just want to add any random photos, I've just kept, you can select whatever is the number of photos. I would like to select all of these all at once, and I'll just click open, and it will load all of them. So all you have to do is make sure the main photo that you want to use as the main image, that should come over here, at this number 1, or at this location. Otherwise, any picture that would be on this location will be shown on the listing. Then you can come down and you can pick one of these options if you like to, but you don't need to. The purpose of picking up someone who's at the top, and already selling well, it's most of the chances that you just need to have a look at all of these criterias, and it will be perfectly all right. So most of the work is already done for you, so your job is very easy. Now if you've got a MPN number, you can provide that. If not, then you can just click does not apply. You see it's already given that what is the brand and what is the type and material and everything. It will be pre-filled. So you can just scroll down, you can put in here the description of the item, whatever you want to write. So then you can just come down a bit. You can just choose the format of the listing, either to be fixed or auction style. and then if it's a fixed price, then you have to give the price here, whatever is the price, 22.99 or whatever, and then you can automatically put it like accept offers from the buyers. So for example, if you just want to accept offers that are above 20, you can just put it here, automatically accept offers of at least £20. But if you just want to decline offers that are below £15 or something, you can just activate this one as well. So any offers that are below 15 will be rejected automatically. Any offers that are above 20 or 20, that will be accepted automatically, so you'll be able to reduce most of your work. Here you can maintain number of quantity, either it's 1 or 10. Then you can just give here your PayPal ID, whatever is your PayPal that you want to use for receiving the payments, and you can just check here the payment options that you would like to use, and then you can choose here who will return postage will be paid either by the buyer or the seller. Then you can choose here the return time. It may be 15 days in some of the categories, but most of the time it's 30 and 60 days. And then this is the area where you just do the delivery details, the shipping time and service and the cost. If you're just charging any cost, if not, you can just click here. So we'll just do the free free packaging and postage for you. And then all you have to do is just click this list with displayed fee, or if you're not still ready to list this item, you can just have a preview. So in the preview you would just see this item would look like this. This is the description, these are the pictures, these are the specifications, sorry, and then everything would look like this. If you're satisfied, you can just close this and list an item, but if not, then you can just update the details. Now I'd just like to go back again. I've just given you a generic example, so you might be a bit confused, but make sure if you're just listing a specific item, you just search for a specific keyword. For example, if we just want to do maybe headphones, so I'll just search here the headphones, and it's not enough just to write the headphones. We would have to write the brand as well. So for example, we just want to do Bluetooth 5.0 headset. We would just put this title and search it, and once we search it, you'll see all the brands that are coming down in the list would be the same. So that's important, because obviously earlier I've just done a generic search where there were different brands that were competing with each other, but once you search the same brand, it will have a list of the person who's actually on the top, right? Otherwise you might not get it. It's because obviously you want to copy the person who's actually on the top, so you can come on the top. Hope that's clear to you. Please feel free to comment below if you've got any questions, so I may answer, and I would appreciate if you just like the video if you like it, and please subscribe the video so you get the notifications of the upcoming video as we just create the new videos. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you soon.